can't do anything else on the job site until our insulation's in. And so if the insulation doesn't perform properly and we don't pass inspection, then you're holding up the drywaller, you're holding up all the finish people, you're holding up everything else. So with this now, I mean, the one thing we're not going to have to worry about is filling a cavity, I'll tell you that. And we're not going to have to worry about it not being six-sided, and we're not going to have to worry about recovery anymore. So those are huge things. Those are really important things. So I think this, for us, will probably save us a lot of time, a lot of energy, and probably a lot of money.
For me, it's not only about doing it fast, it's doing it the right way. Because the material, it's what it is. So the customer's going to be happy with it because the material's doing its job, not only me.
On our side, we have insulation guys install the insulation, but when it comes to Type 24, step towards the end, hertz testing and things like that, we have to do put it on top of attic crawl spaces and such ourselves. So it's kind of nice knowing that it's not going to fall over our face, and we can touch it with our bare hands. You can almost sleep on it.
Especially as framing gets more complicated and there's more things in the wall, like more like electrical outlets, more plumbing, etc. Having an insulation that can kind of fit into the nooks and crannies is very important. So yeah, definitely got a good first impression from the guys that it's light, it's not itchy, very low dust, and it's easy to cut too.